Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, let's look into the most significant stars in Vedic astrology. Not even stars, the constellations. We'll talk about stars a bit later. So, we have a certain set of constellations, Aries to Pisces, 12 special constellations. Let's see, why are they special? Why only we have these constellations included in Vedic astrology, and what's so special about them? Let's locate them. Where are they actually placed? Let's see. And for that, we have a very special tool. So let's get started. So, this is our tool which will help us to see and understand the 12 zodiac signs or the 12 constellations included in the Vedic astrology. This is a celestial globe. We do have a globe which shows the land mass, the earth, the maps on earth, the rivers on earth, and then we have a map which shows the stars visible from earth, like a blanket of stars around it. This is the celestial one, and it's a little wobbly, just like how earth is also wobbly in nature. You must know that no one is perfect, everyone wobbles. Okay, so these are the stars which are visible from earth. These are the constellations, so many of them, so beautiful of them, that they are visible from earth. But yes, not all of them are included in the Vedic astrology. Okay, we will use this globe to even understand nakshatras, but today just focus on the zodiac signs. So if you see, this is how the earth rotates. Okay, tilted on its axis, wobbly, tilted on its axis. Fine. And this is the north and the south pole. To be specific, we call this as celestial north pole, celestial south pole, because we are imagining this blanket of stars, like as a one more sphere around the earth, and that is the celestial globe, the celestial earth, or whatever you want to say. This is the celestial north pole, south pole, and this is the celestial equator. This is the center, these dotted lines where you can see the months. This is the celestial equator, just like we have equator running from the center of the earth. Now, where are the zodiac signs? Can you see these dotted lines? Not this dotted line, this path. Look at this path clearly, this one. It goes down now here. Look at this. This is going down from here, and then here it's going above. So we know that sun is at the center and the earth revolves the sun. But from earth, if you see, it looks like the sun is revolving around the earth. Okay, so as from earth we see that the sun revolves around it. This is the path the sun takes around the earth, that imaginary or apparent path of sun around the earth. This is known as the ecliptic. This is the path the sun takes around the sun. And not just the sun, every planet takes this path. Maybe the degrees might be different, because around this ecliptic, 8 to 9 degrees above, 8 to 9 degrees below, this band of zodiac is where the all planets travel. Okay, not anywhere but this path. And now look at this path, how it goes from the center of the Leo and Cancer, to be specific. Okay, so see, Cancer, Leo. Okay, then we have Virgo. Here you can see everything very expanded, but it is a band. It's a band, not like a very large area. Virgo, Libra. Then we have Scorpio, Sagittarius. Scorpio is here, going down. Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Then we go up, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, back to Cancer and Leo. So this is how we understand the path taken by planets and the sun around Earth, and this is a specific band of constellations they travel, and these are used in the Vedic astrology in a beautiful way. Okay, let's end this video by telling you something mystical, something interesting. So, I think a few months ago I was traveling, I was in a car, and I had a vision. I saw a constellation, and it was like this zigzag kind of constellation. So I asked zigzag constellation to the Google, and it showed me a constellation known as the Lacerta. Okay, here it is. Lacerta. This one. So see how stars are so magical. Even if they are not a part of the astrology, they will always call you. Every star in the sky visible to you is calling you. Try to look at them. Try to understand them, intuitively connect with them. These stars are so beautiful. They hold a meaning, certainly. So all stars are special. This is what I believe in. And of course, the sun travels through this path. So these 12 are extremely special. Okay, so yeah, focus on these 12 constellations. Learn about the nature they represent, the things they represent in our life. And that is the very base, the solid base of Vedic astrology.